VoiceThread. My name is Christina Butcher. I am a 6th and 7th grade reading teacher at Estill County Middle School, working on my Rank 1 in Library Science. VoiceThread is a tool for having conversations around media. It can securely capture an entire group discussion on one page. VoiceThread is a cloud application. This means there's no software to buy. Everything is web-based, so if you have an internet connection and a computer, you can use it. You can upload presentations, images, audio files, and videos. You can share and discuss these with others. VoiceThread makes it easy to comment on these items, either by text, phone, microphone, webcam, or audio file upload. Students love technology, but most dislike writing and all that goes along with it. VoiceThread allows students to use technology to create useful projects either in groups or as individuals. These projects can be commented on in a social networking way that kids love to keep the group or teamwork going. To get started, go to http://voicethread.com to begin. In the upper right-hand corner, click on Register. Fill out the Register a New Account information and then click Register. This will take you to the My Voice page. On this screen, you will find tutorial videos, and once you've been using VoiceThread for a while, any VoiceThread that you've made will be found on this page. As you can see on my page, my VoiceThread Baby Chicken Discussion is the first video that comes up. I've also added some arrows to a couple of tutorial videos that I find especially helpful. What's a VoiceThread and 1 Minute VoiceThread. These are on everybody's VoiceThread page. I think these two are two of the ones that come in the handiest when you're just getting started. On the Create tab is where you will get started creating your own VoiceThread. The first button is the Upload From button. This is where you add your images, documents, videos, or whatever you want to start your VoiceThread with. You can get them from your computer, media sources such as Flickr or Facebook, or you can add material from your webcam if you want to record yourself talking to your students. Once you finish this, you click on the Comment button, which is my next red arrow down there. You click on Comment and you can add your own voice to instruct your students with what you want them to do. When you finish there, you go on down to the third one, which is Share. This allows you to click on whoever you want to share your VoiceThread with. After that, you're finished with your VoiceThread. The next tab over, the Browse tab, allows you to search for VoiceThreads that other people have finished. As you can see by the blue arrow, I have typed in writing process. By typing in the subject that you want and pushing search, it brings up all kinds of VoiceThreads that other people have finished. As you can see, mine came up with 6 pages of VoiceThreads that other people have completed on the subject of the writing process. So I can click on these, and if I wanted to show one to my students, I could on the writing process. And there's all kinds of different topics on there that you can look for. Now, under the Ideas for Using VoiceThread tab, up in the right-hand corner, you can find ideas for each subject and grade level. Here's an example for a 7th grade language arts. As you can see, it gives you the description, benefits to students, process, and assignment. And if you could go on down this page and look, it would also tell you that problems or successes that this teacher had completing this VoiceThread. If you look over on the left-hand side, you can see that there's examples for math, science, social studies. So there's all kinds of things. When you first click on each subject, there's different examples for anything from kindergarten all the way up through college level. So there's all kinds of ideas for any grade level that you want to look for. Now, under Products and About, you can click on either one of these and you'll find other resources that can help you get started. I've circled or put Starburst beside a few items that I think that can help you get started. I've circled the VoiceThread, showing that you can use it from any computer or web browser. I put a Starburst down beside the Higher Education webinar series that just shows you how to use it in that aspect. I've also put a Starburst beside the VoiceThread that you can get it on iPad, iPhone, or iPod Touch, and the digital library where you can find VoiceThreads that have been created by other educators or students. And there's other useful information here, but those are the ones that I felt like that were the most useful. Now, in my next example, in the next slide, I have embedded an example of a VoiceThread that I set up for a class discussion, just to give you an example of one that you could use. Hi class, our baby chicks have hatched and they're a couple of days old now, so I want you to reflect back on the whole process and tell me what your favorite part was. Whether it was watching the eggs while they were in the incubator and waiting on them to hatch, or was it watching them hatch out, or if it's been the last couple of days while the chicks were fluffing out and learning how to eat and walk around in the container with the heat lamp on them. So be descriptive, give me specific details, and share with the rest of your classmates on what your favorite part was. Alright, that just gives you an example of how to use a VoiceThread, or how I used one. Now there's many other examples available on the VoiceThread site. If you have any other questions, just let me know.